how to stop this iPhone setting from sending unnecessary data. So if you want to stop iPhone setting from sending unnecessary data, and if you want to boost your privacy, then what you need to do is there's a setting on the iPhone called privacy preserving and measurement inside your Safari Advanced. And even though the name sounds premium and reassuring, the idea is a bit different. Apple made this feature to measure ad performance without knowing your identity. But in reality, it doesn't need any personal data like your name, IP, or Apple ID. But it does send a small signal to the advertiser telling them that the ad was viewed or clicked. That's called anonymous measurement, not full tracking. Why is this important? Because some people think it is a strong privacy feature. But in reality, it's a commercial balance between privacy and advertising companies. Meaning, Apple reduces tracking but didn't stop it 100%. And let me tell you two important facts. First, this feature works after you close the browser, meaning the sending is not instant. So it doesn't affect your performance or battery, but it still remains a small entry point for some data exchange. Even if anonymous, second fact is turning this feature off doesn't affect the ads that you see because ads mainly come from Google, Meta, and Apple ads themselves. And they don't rely on this setting to work. So turning it off won't break anything and won't reduce or increase ads. So if your goal is the highest level of privacy without complications, then the normal and logical thing is to turn it off. And how do you turn it off? It's very simple. So what you need to do is just open up your settings. After settings, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on apps. From apps, you need to scroll down again and you will find the Safari option. Tap on Safari. Now here, scroll all the way down and then tap on Advanced, which will be on the bottom. From the Advanced, you will find the privacy preserving ad measurement option and turn this off. That's it, you're done. If you want even higher privacy on the iPhone, then you will have more settings or more serious than this one. But for now, this is the unnecessary data, or this is the setting which is sending unnecessary data to your device. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.